Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on these Govee 4-inch can lights. This is the 6-pack. So when you open the box, they all come very well protected. Again, you get 6 of these lights. So you get 6 of the lights and 6 of the adapters, all in the box. So the light is designed to take out your can light, your 4-inch can light, and take out the adapter inside the can light, and then you're going to stick this up in there. But first thing, you're going to plug this, you're going to screw this into where the light bulb was, and then you connect this. Now when you connect this to the light, make sure you push it down all the way. It'll kind of click into place. Let's do some measurements. So that cable is roughly about 8 inches long. Up here is about 3, but you got these steel tabs. So when you push it up into the can light, it's going to hopefully stay there with these tabs. You know, and these tabs are roughly about 4¼ inches maybe. Now overall the light is 5½ inches. It does have a little gasket here. Now when you first power these on, you're on your phone, you're going to get the Govee app and you're going to connect to these lights with Bluetooth. So you're going to have to search for the light in Bluetooth. These are 11 watts. The base is an E26 and the voltage is 120 volts, 60 hertz. And it's from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. So it is got red, green, blue LEDs inside it. So I hope this unboxing video helps. One last measurement, that is 3 inches. I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.